Today, we got a 2007 4.6 Ford Mustang engine. We're going to do a bit of a kind of an overhaul, but we're going to look into this thing and make sure it is runnable. He can put it in his car and have fun. We're also going to probably switch out some cams, put a little bit of beefier cam in it. We're going to put a new clutch on it and getting rid of some of these pulleys and stuff. New belt, of course, you know, the normal stuff. So we're going to get into it. We're going to start tearing it apart. Anything.
Oh, these look so pretty. These look so pretty.
Oh, well, yeah and no. Those things are so scored. 5,000 miles on this engine is my ass.
You're gonna get me a brush so I can clean this.
No, no brushing.
No. And I thought that looked pretty. Jesus. Ooh, I get to learn how to take this one off.
Ooh, that was damaged. Oh, that guy does not look good. Alright, let's take a look at the rest of them. So that's something we gotta take a photo of. He must have started this engine up dry or something. There's damage to the rockers. Yep. Three valves per cylinder. That one's just not looking pretty.
Is this the one that we were talking about, that we were trying to, you can figure out if it works, as these go up and down when you crank it?
Well, we were testing the compression to the engine. So what I need you to do is take this. You come up here. I need you to point with it. Is that one that's got the line going through it?
Oh.
Nope, over one more. Nope, another one on the roller. Look, babe. Got a line going through it. Look at this one. Put the light up here. Oh, that guy does not look good. Look at that line going through.
Oh yeah.
Rest of them. Go through here and look at all the rest of them. Looks so bad. Shoot. Dang it. Point to that one that has the line, but give me some light on top of it. Cam lobes are used. Don't know about 5,000 miles used. Could be. They just look scored. Alright. Now, yeah, the video was with the camera lobes. Camera lobes are used. Don't know about 5,000 miles used. Could be. They just look scored. Well, we know what that side looks like now. Yeah, just like what I thought. Engine mount getting in right in the damn way. Well, we need some new engine mounts to make these work. Which way did you leave it like this?
Yes.
Okay. Will fit. We're gonna get rid of this engine mount. Engine mount this way. Both sides in the way. Dang it. I did grab it right. Next. I saw the other piece. Alright. Got this thing torn down. Everything checks out pretty decent-ish. But we're going to end the day. We're going to go home. And we'll be on this thing tomorrow morning.